มาเลย ไป It's raining day. Hello. Hello. Okay. Money. That's very beautiful. Yeah. It's so cool. That's my rescue puppy. A few weeks ago. They are so adorable. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Big belly, yeah. Big belly, yeah. That's big belly, yeah. Big belly. We love you. 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 That one is try to clean the plate because they all finish all the food. Okay. That's so adorable. Look at me. Look at my face. And the other one. Okay. It's raining now, so I'm stuck here because it's raining. I have to go to the other place, but I can't. I have to wait a little bit because today I don't bring any raincoat. Okay. It's raining season and it's very hot time here. Mom! Okay, so today I also have 5 abandoned kittens that just coming too. It's very messy because the monk cleaned the room and then they bring everything else. That's my stray pagoda kitten that abandoned about 8 weeks already, and some of them are and sleeping here. Yeah, and I would like to show you here also 5 abandoned kittens this morning. I just coming and see them, so I leave some rice and water, but they're too small, so I don't know I can survive or not because they're too small. As you see here, 5 kittens. Yes, that's 5. Yeah, they need mom. Okay, so it's so sad, but that's okay. They live here, so I will come back to bring some kitten food because when I'm coming here this morning I don't know they are here, so I will come later to bring the food. Yeah. Okay, so I go. Thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video, and thank you for your support. See you the next video. Thank you.